Good morning. Scott Love here with A to Z Insurance, your trusted choice independent agent. I'm sure many of you are just tired of opening up your annual homeowners renewal policy every year and seeing these huge rate increases. I know I am. Well, believe it or not, I have some good news for a change for some of you. Some of you will see a very small increase. Some will see almost no increase. Some of you will actually see a decrease. Yes, that's right. I said a decrease. If you're sitting there wondering how's that possible, let me refresh your memory very quickly from previous years when we've written about why our rates went up. Remember the reinsurance, the backup insurance that insurance companies are required to get by law to cover catastrophic events. Because there have been less catastrophic events in 2013 than the previous years, the reinsurance rates have stabilized and the insurance companies are passing those savings on to you, the customers. Now, for those of you who will continue to see rate increases, please don't be angry with me as your agent. I didn't say all of you would see no increase or a decrease. I said some of you. Some of you will continue to see rate increases, and I'm going to take the rest of the video to explain why. You deserve an explanation on why your rates continue to rise and help you understand. Perhaps in a future video, we'll talk about some things you can do to lower your rates, some things we can do for you to help you with your homeowner's insurance rates. There are three main reasons why insurance companies may continue to raise your rates. The first is claims activity. Insurance companies look at claims activities in certain zip codes, certain ages of homes. If they see a lot of claims activity, say in a zip code, even though you personally haven't filed a claim maybe in 40 years, if your neighbors are filing claims constantly, your rates may go up too because you're in that same neighborhood. And because if they see there's a lot of water damage claims and your house is built by the same builder at about the same age, the odds are that you will suffer perhaps that same type of claim as well, and so the risk is spread out. That's Insurance 101. A second reason why insurance companies may continue to raise your rates would be the age of the plumbing, electrical, heating, and roof. The plumbing, especially when it hits about 30 years old, starts to leak. I had a house years ago I bought, and while I was renovating it, the plumbing started to leak, and it was less than 30 years old. It made an impression on me. When a house reaches 40 years old and 50, it definitely is near the end of its life in terms of the plumbing. The pipes will corrode and rust and wear out, and many claims are filed for houses that age, and so insurance companies have to charge more money to cover the higher risk. And then the electrical panels often are outdated, and the circuit breakers don't trip properly, some of the older styles, and again, unnecessary fire hazards and claims. Air conditioners that are old, roofs that are old, many water damage claims come from them. Again, more claims, more payment, more charge by the insurance companies. The last reason that we'll talk about today on why your rates may continue to go up would be the age of the home itself. It's related to the first two reasons. A newer home, generally speaking, is going to have less claims filed if it's built properly. It's also going to get a new home discount. That discount will actually slowly decrease as the house ages. And when a house reaches about 20 years old, that discount has been pretty much eliminated. The percentage has dropped. And then it will turn the other direction, and they'll start surcharging because the risk of a claim goes up. So if you have an older house, this is one reason why you will continue to see as your house ages, newer home discounts are removed and an age of home surcharge may start applying, especially if it's over 20 years old. Houses built 2002 or later get wind mitigation discounts automatically. They're built to a better code. They're less likely to have the roofs blow off, and so they give discounts automatically for houses built 2002 or later because there's less chance they're going to have massive payouts for wind damage, hurricane damage. As your trusted choice agent, we represent over 20 homeowners markets. We'll be happy to review your policy, try to help you, explain this to you, show you ways to get your rates down, and if necessary, even shop it for you. Thank you.